Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to easily set up your NETGEAR PLP2000 Powerline 2000 network adapters step by step, from unboxing and plugging them in, to connecting them to your router and devices using your home's electrical wiring. Let's get started. A Powerline network uses two or more compatible Powerline adapters that communicate through your home's existing electrical wiring. One adapter is connected to your router using an Ethernet cable, linking the Powerline network to your local area network, LAN. This connection allows all connected Powerline devices to access the router and share its internet connection. For example, one adapter can be installed in room 1 and another in room 2. Ensure your wired Ethernet connection to your router gateway is working. Test by browsing a web page from a computer connected via Ethernet. Use unswitched outlets, not controlled by a wall switch, to avoid accidental power loss. Avoid outlets near high-power appliances, washers, dryers, refrigerators, to reduce interference. Do not use power strips, extension cords, or surge protectors for the adapters. Plug one adapter into a wall outlet near your router/gateway. Connect one Ethernet cable from the adapter's Ethernet port to your router/gateway. Plug the second adapter into a different wall outlet in the area you want to extend to. Connect one Ethernet cable from the second adapter to the device you want to extend to, e.g., a computer, gaming console, or smart TV. Make sure all Powerline adapters are plugged into wall outlets and check that the power and pick-a-plug LEDs are solid green on each device. Press the security/factory reset button on the first adapter for 2 seconds until the power LED begins blinking. It will generate a new private encryption key. Within 2 minutes, press the security/factory reset button on the second adapter for 2 seconds. When its power LED blinks, it confirms both devices are paired and can now communicate securely. Check the LED indicators: power LED, solid green powered on, blinking setting up security. Pick a plug LED, solid green good connection, amber or red indicates lower link rates. Ethernet LED, solid green device connected, off no Ethernet connection. Your NETGEAR PLP2000 setup is now complete. Both adapters are connected through your home's electrical wiring, and the Powerline LED should be solid green. Your device should now have a stable wired internet connection. Enjoy fast and reliable network access in any room. If you are unable to set up your NETGEAR PLP2000 Powerline 2000 adapter, or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thank you for watching.